Hello to all the teachers and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Teachers Day. I want to thank to all the teachers. Because of them I have come to love writing, reading, science. They got me the strength I need to take the next steps toward my dream. I'm so grateful. You were my teachers. Thank you for emboldening me. Your positivity and encouragement brightened my days. You made me a better, more thoughtful person. Your kindness made me feel welcomed and comfortable. I will never forget you. You helped me a lot. You gave me the confidence to dream big. Thank you for your patience. It means the world to me. You are hands down the best teachers. You inspired me this chapter of my life. I cannot have done it without you. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you the world's Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is the most crucial occasion in every student's life. Teachers push us to attain our motivation and understand our problems without the need to tell them. Teachers are like magicians who use their magic horns to help us make our life easier and more fruitful. The most important thing we must follow is to revere the value of our incredible teachers. They have been our guiding spirits and role models, and we are grateful to them. Students across the world celebrating this day to pay respect and thank you their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. This way had changed by the shaping and the building students' personality and make them ideal citizen of country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development and the well-being of students and nation, one must agree that the teaching is the noble profession. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impactful contribution in shaping us. I'm very grateful for everything you have taught me. Thank you for your guidance and support. Thank you so much for teaching me life lessons. Teachers such a cute personality which we remember for whole life in struggle, hardship and happiness of life. I want to end with the golden words of Hazrat Ali. A person who teaches us a single word is our teacher. They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day is to thank them and say Happy Teachers' Day.